Hey, how are ya? Good, man. Just a double animal style, please.
All right.
And then a large iced tea with lemon. That's it.
Perfect. And did you want this in a box for your truck?
Bag's fine.
Bag?
Yeah.
That's 636 in that first window.
Thank you, bud. Yep.
Would you like any ketchup or anything?
No, I'm okay. Thank you. Have a good day. All right, let's check out some YouTube comments. Landberg tile, great video, man. Appreciate the work. Thanks, buddy. Nice hat. Yes, sir. Landberg Tile DIY TV. Can you do a video on a tile leveling system kit that's cheap with pliers? Yes, I can. Let's check out Amazon. Okay. Amazon.com. Cheap tile leveling system. Hang Mo 1/8 fast tile leveling system super kit. Let's buy this tile leveling system kit, see if it's any good. Here we go. Ah, well, that was quick. Here it is. $65 tile leveling system. Let's open this up and take a look. Well, here it is, guys. Fast tile leveling system includes 200 wedges, 400 clips, a pair of pliers, and a 12-inch metal level. Let's open this up, see what we got. Here we go. Your generic standard pliers. This can work for floors as well as walls. Looks like a pack of 100 red wedges. Standard size. Very similar to Raimondi. We'll compare a Raimondi RLS wedge to this cheap Amazon tile leveling system wedge. As you can see, nearly identical, guys. Here are the clips. They feel sturdy. Again, they feel nearly identical to Raimondi RLS. They break clean. And they also throw in, it looks like a 12-inch level. It's metal. Nice clear bubble. We'll have to test this level with the Stabila to see how accurate it is, but not bad. $70 you get a large case to house all of your wedges in, as well as your clips. Pair of pliers for floor and wall application install, and a level. Okay guys, let's go outside and see how well this system works. We'll install 12-inch by 16-inch glass panels. Here we go. All right, here we go, guys. We've got our kit. We've got some Stratamat down. We've got our 12-inch by 16-inch glass panels, and of course, we've got some thin set mortar with a 1/2-inch trowel. See how well this cheap $70 tile system works. Here we go, guys. let's install. Panels. Here we go. Glass piece number 1. Well, there it is, guys, a cheap tile leveling system kit from Amazon. 70 bucks, includes a case, wedges, tile leveling spacers, clips, a set of pliers, as well as a metal 12-inch level. Again, leave a link in the description below for this kit. As usual, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.